Okay guys, I've been trying to get this thing to record for the last half an hour, so hopefully it works now for the last part of this video. Remember, an equation in standard form has x and y on the same side, plain numbers on the other side of the equal sign, and no fractions or decimals anywhere. So if they give us one like this, how do we write this in standard form? Now, the first thing I want you to notice is that this problem has a fraction in it. So we're going to clear fractions. Remember, in order to clear fractions, you multiply both sides by the denominator. Denominator is a 3. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 3. When I multiply the other side by 3, it's going to cancel out the denominator. So I'm going to end up with negative 1 x plus 6. Okay. The left side, multiplying by 3, got me that 3 in front. On the right side, multiplying by 3 crossed out my denominator. Hold on here for just a second. Okay, we'll see if that's better. Now, my next step after I cleared the fraction is I'm going to distribute on both sides. So I get 3y minus 6. On the other side, negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Now, I want my x and y to both be on the same side. I want them to both be on the left. Right now my x is on the right. How do I make it switch sides? I use the inverse. So instead of subtracting 1x, I need to add 1x to both sides. I'm going to move up to the top here, and I get 1x plus 3y minus 6 equals negative 6 on the other side, because those two canceled. I put the x first because the x always comes before the y. Now, I don't want this negative 6 here because all my plain numbers have to be on the other side of the equal sign. So since I have to move that, I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Those cancel. And I get 1x plus 3y equals negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Now, my x and y are on the same side. There's no fractions or decimals. And my plain number is over on the right. That is my answer in standard form. Let's try one more. This one does not have a fraction in it, so I don't have to clear fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is plus 6. Okay, now again I want my x's on the left along with my y. So I have to switch sides. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. And I get 2x plus y minus 4 equals 6. I need to get rid of that minus 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get 2x plus y is equal to 10. That'll be my answer. X and y are on the same side. The plain number is off on the other side. No fractions or decimals. 2 for you to try, one that has a fraction and one that doesn't. Last type of problem here. In a video game, you earn 5 points for each joule, 2 points for each star. Write an equation that represents the number of joules and stars you must find to earn a total of 250 points. The key words here, for each, and you're trying to find a total of 250. For each, remember, means multiply. Been using that since the beginning of the year. So 5 times the number of joules, 2 points for each star, 2 times the number of stars. I'm going to add those together because I'm trying to get a total of 250 points. 5 points for each joule, 2 points for each star. Put those together and I get a total of 250. You're trying to do the same thing in practice problem 5. Same type of problem. Questions, comments, and concerns? Go here. Sorry that it's in 3 parts. Sorry I had so much trouble. Hopefully it doesn't give you too much trouble over Thanksgiving. Ask questions when we come back, and we'll be ready to take a quiz.